A jury is now deciding the fate of two men who prosecutors say shot and killed a nurse who was just on her way to work.
Just in the last few minutes, we've learned the jury has gone home for the night. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs is covering the case. Kelsey, looks like we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for the outcome.
Yeah, good evening, Vicki and Rory. That's exactly right. The jury was called back in because they did not reach a verdict tonight. They will continue deliberation tomorrow. I'm going to move out of the way so you guys can see exactly what is going on behind me. These are the families of the defense as well as the victim, Kaufman's family. They're leaving the courtroom after, a lengthy day of deliberations. Again, the verdict has not been reached, but we do know the state is asking for a first-degree premeditated murder charge.
And it took both of them. It took both of them to shoot at her and kill her that day. It is not possible for Devontae Hill to have done this alone. That is not possible. It took both of them. And they murdered her knowing they were going after her, the girl that cut them off.
James Cowan's mother confirmed her son held onto a Bible as he put his fate into his faith. But as we know, his judgment in this courtroom will be decided by the jury. The jury heard 5 days of witness testimony, and today they heard closing remarks from attorneys and instructions from Judge Dalton. They're asked to return with a verdict. Deliberation happened after the jury broke for lunch around 11:40 this morning. Prosecutor Jan Norman said Cowan is just as guilty as Hill because he had to maintain enough speed for them to be side by side with Kaufman's SUV, so Hill can shoot out the window and aim at her car. She says the evidence throughout this trip shows it was a crime that was unlawful, there was motive, the defendants did not stop to render aid, and the defendants tried to hide evidence. Hill's public defender admitted Hill shot at Kaufman's SUV on the evening of December 3rd, 2020, but the defense says it was not premeditated, it was not intentional to kill, and both defendants should be convicted of a lesser charge.
On Wednesday, I told you about the proof that you would not hear in this trial. You heard no proof that James Cowan killed anyone, no proof that he caused or otherwise intended the death of anyone.
You're not here for vengeance. Vengeance is understandable. Vengeance is natural. And sometimes vengeance feels good. But you're here for justice.
Now, again, we know the state is asking for a premeditated first-degree murder conviction. That is what they want from these 12 jurors. If they can't reach that, they can try for a lesser charge like second-degree murder. They can also acquit the defendants in this case, or acquit one and give time to another. Again, we will not know until they reach a verdict, which we should have sometime tomorrow. Court will resume tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and we will be here. But for now, reporting live at the Birch Building, Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.